Hello friends, this is Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center. Today we would like to see some new venture in question answer of chapter number 1, Letter to God. Already you can see my video of first chapter from the book First Flight, A Letter to God by G.L. Funtis. After having seen that video, you can prepare this question answer as well. First question, why did Lancho see the sky toward the northeast? Why did Lancho see the sky towards the northeast? Lancho lived with his family in the valley and he was a farmer. His farm was nearing harvest time. He could have got good harvest, but the only thing needed was at least a shower. Shower means downpour, rainfall of rain or a downpour. So throughout the morning, Lancho, who knew his field very well, was seeing the sky toward the northeast. If I can repeat, Lancho lived with his family in the valley and he was a farmer, hard-working farmer. His farm was nearing harvest time. He could have good harvest, but the only thing needed was at least a shower of rain or a downpour. So throughout the morning, Lancho, who knew his field very well, was seeing the sky toward the northeast. Now, question number 2. Why did Lancho say that raindrops were like new coins? Why did Lancho say that raindrops were like new coins? Lancho had been anxious, very eagerous for a good shower so that he could get a good harvest in his field. He was expecting good rainfall. When he looked at the sky toward the northeast, he predicted that there would be rain, and then big drop of rain started falling from the huge mountain of clouds. Lancho went and got wet in the rain, and he told his family that the raindrop falling from the sky were new coins, like new coins. The big ones were 10-cent pieces and little one were 5. इसको उसने मोल निकाला, मोल मतलब कि ये बड़े पीसेस और छोटे पीसेस. The big one were 10-cent pieces and little one were 5 because they would assure them of a good harvest and good money. So that was the question number 2. Why did Lancho say that raindrops were like new coin? Now question number 3. How did rain change? What happened to Lancho's field? The big clouds coming from northeast brought rain, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. बड़े बड़े करे बोलते हैं ना, hailstone began to fall. For an hour, the hail rained on the valley and field was white as if covered with salt. The corn was totally destroyed and the flowers were gone. That's how his crop ruined. Question number 4. What were Lancho's feeling when the hail stops? What were Lancho's feeling when the hail stopped? Question number 4. The hail stopped after an hour and Lancho's field was white as if covered with salt. The corn was destroyed utterly, completely. Lancho stood in the middle of the field and told his sons that even a plague of locust मतलब कि जो खास करके जो कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं जो उसको खत्म कर देते हैं, right? Even a plague of locusts would have left more. उससे तो उन लोगों ने ज्यादा छोड़ दिया होगा, मतलब कि बारिश की वजह से बिल्कुल भी नहीं छूटा. The hail had left nothing for them to survive. He felt sad that all their work hard amounted to nothing, and that was no one who could help them. And there was no one who could help them. That's how he was frustrated. The next question, who does Lancho have complete faith in? Which sentence in the story convey that? Lancho has suffered a very bad setback when the hail destroyed his corn utterly. All the work put in by his family had gone to waste, but he didn't lose hope, as he had complete faith in God. By his family had gone to waste, but he didn't lose hope, as he had complete faith in God. Sorry. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. That was the statement. That's what they say. No one dies of hunger. He was sure he would receive help from God, so he decided to write a letter to God asking for some money, monetary help. Monetary is an adjective form of money. The next question, number 2, of thinking about the text. Why does the postmaster send money to Lancho? Why does he sign the letter God? Very important question this one is. The postmaster read Lancho's, the farmer's letter, and was surprised and impressed by his faith in God's help. He was kind of man and didn't want the farmer to feel let down or shake his faith. किसी का विश्वास तोड़ना नहीं चाहता था. वैसे तो कोई हेल्प नहीं करता है. He collected money from his staff. He also gave a part of his own salary. Though they were not able to collect all the 100 pesos asked by Lancho, they were able to reach the figure of 70 pesos. He put it in an envelope and wrote from God because he didn't want Lancho's faith to be shaken. He wanted Lancho to believe that money had really come from God as a monetary help, and he had persisted his faith in God. Now, question number 3. Did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why? Why not? Important question hai ye bhi, right? And this is the last one. The postmaster collected money from his employee and also gave a part of his salary to help Lancho and not make him lose faith in God. One should have some trust. However, when Lancho received the money, he was so sure it was from God, and he also believed that God would give him what he asked for and never less. On the contrary, he think otherwise. So when he saw that there were only 70 pesos instead of 100, he felt that the employees at the post office had taken them. He never even had the slightest idea that the post office employee had donated for him from their own salary to not let his faith in God diminish or destroy. They were doing him a good turn with no expectation, and yet Lancho doubted them. That's how sometimes what you do and sometimes what you expect. Some additional question answer. Give a brief description of Lancho's family. Lancho had a wife and at least 4 boys. It was a happy family. Family members were deeply religious. They lived in solitary house on a hilltop and they have got a tremendous faith in God. That was the additional question. One more question. Describe the destruction caused by hailstone in Lancho's field. One more additional question. Describe the destruction caused by hailstone in Lancho's field. The hail rained on Lancho's house, garden, cornfield, the hillside, and the entire valley for an hour. The field was white as if covered with salt. Not a leaf remained on the tree. The corn is Lancho's cornfield was totally or utterly destroyed. And one more, and that is the last one. Who was Lancho and what circumstances forced him to write a letter to God? ये भी एक एडिशनल क्वेश्चन है। और आप लोगों को ऐसे सब क्वेश्चंस जो लेटर ऑन गाला पेपर सेट और हार्दिक पेपर सेट और समथिंग वुड लाइक टू कम एज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेपर सेट लाइक लिबर्टी, तो आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन काम लगेंगे। हु वाज लैंचो and what circumstances forced him to write a letter to God? Lancho was a hard-working farmer who lived with his family on a crest of a low hill. He was very caring and God-loving man. Though he was a farmer, he could read and write. Lancho eagerly waited for the rainfall in order to get good harvest, and he became happy when it came by. But the pleasing rain changed into hailstorm and destroy his crop. He became sad and was worried about his family as they might remain hungry that year. His last hope was the help from God as he had complete faith in him. Hence, he wrote a letter to God asking him to send 100 pesos to survive to reharvest. One more additional question. Give character sketch of Lencho. Character sketch. Maybe ask for 2 marks. Lencho was a simple man and a hard-working farmer. He worked as an ox in his field. Lencho's entire crop were badly destroyed by the hailstorm, so he became very sad as he was worried about his family. He was an optimistic, आशावादी, hope होती है ना, hope, optimistic person. Although his only source of living was taken away, he didn't lose hope. He had his last hope in God. He was confident that God would help him in his distress. Lancho was an innocent atheist. Atheist matlab those who are believing in God. Theist, who did not know that there was no such living person as God who could send him money, sorry. He had blind faith in God and sought solution of his problem from God only. तो साहब हमने चैप्टर नंबर 1 के जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर थे एडिशनल भी देखे, टेक्सचुअल भी देखे. You go on preparing it, right? If you feel that you can hear this video on and on so as to get this question answer learned by heart. Thank you very much. Goodbye from Sanjay Purohit.